We are going to linear measure this Devon bull today, and I want to start with mentioning first the docility that you see. This is a bull that's not halter broke. We just put him in the squeeze chute here, the little trimming chute type piece of equipment, and if you'll notice how square he's standing up on all 4 feet, and you have to have them standing up square like this in order for linear measuring to work properly for you. So we're going to start first by measuring the length of the rump, and the length of the rump is very important that it be measured accurately, and they have to be standing up straight on their feet. And the way you measure that is from, if you'll notice, Steve has his fingers on the back of the pin bones, and so you measure from the back of the pins to the front of the hooks here, and that area completely encompasses the rump. If you'll notice, Steve is pulling the legs of the calipers up against the back of the pin bones there, and he has his hand slid off over in front of the hook bone there, right up against it. He's holding his hand very vertical with the animal and has the calipers vertical with the back of the animal, so that we can get a complete and accurate measurement of the rump length. And there's many parts of the body that are correlated back to the length of the rump, so it's important that we have this done accurately.
I'll give it a little